Going viral is tough. Everyone wants to go viral because they want millions and millions of video views. But what if I told you that you can get millions of video views without going viral? Hey everyone, I'm Neil Patel, and today I'm going to break down how I got 37 million video views without going viral. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to this channel, and if you're on YouTube, click the alert notification. As you can see here, this is my YouTube profile. I have tons of videos on all sorts of topics. Technically, they're all marketing related, but in essence, I still have all sorts of videos on different things on marketing, from creating a blog post to a Ubersuggest Chrome extension to my Google SEO formula to omni-channel marketing, link building, content marketing, keyword research. The list goes on and on. Just on YouTube alone, according to Social Blade, I've generated 37,186,000 views. That's a lot of video views. 37 million. But here's the crazy part. I have way more than 37 million video views. I upload my videos to Instagram. I upload them to Facebook. I upload them to LinkedIn. Heck, I upload them to any social network that'll take videos. I even put them on my website. Now, of course, people who watch the videos on my website, because I use the YouTube embed player, it counts against my YouTube views. But in essence, I have way more than 37 million views. It's probably safe to say I have over 50 million views. That's a lot of views. So how do you do that without going viral? And today, I'm going to show you how to do that. The first thing I want you to do is go to Google and Google Ubersuggest Chrome extension. And when you type that in, it's the first result. It's chrome.google.com. The URL is really long. So I just want you to Google Ubersuggest Chrome extension. And there's over 200,000 people that use it. Install it. And as you can see here, I already have it installed. And you see that there's this little orange U icon. That's Ubersuggest. And if you don't see it there, click the little puzzle piece. And then I want you to click the pin for Ubersuggest, and then you'll see it. Now, when you go back to YouTube and you search for anything, let's say you're just on YouTube searching and browsing. And if you don't do that on a regular basis, I recommend doing it because you can go to YouTube to learn anything. And let's say I type in the word digital marketing. And I'm going to type it in. And the Ubersuggest extension will show you how many people search for digital marketing every single month. And it adds up. And I'll go and create topics on digital marketing. And based on, I'll look at some of the other videos and what people are doing. And I'll use that to figure out, all right, maybe I should create a video on this. And it'll tell me not just what the search volume is for that keyword, but it'll also give me other recommendations in the right sidebar, so that way I have more ideas of the keywords that I could be doing. The next thing I want you to do is go to neilpatel.com/Ubersuggest, so that way you can get a bigger list of ideas. And I want you to type in some of the competitors in your space. So let's say your competitor is Neil Patel, being me. And when you type in a domain name like Neil Patel, you'll get a traffic overview where you see the popularity of a website over time and how much traffic they're going. But I want you to click in the left navigation, keywords by traffic. And when you click on keywords by traffic, just make sure you put in their domain name. And you'll see all the keywords that I'm ranking for, not necessarily getting this many visits, which is volume. Estimated visits is on the right side. But you can see by volume what keywords are searched a lot. Bing, Reddit, News, Google AdWords, Google My Business, Discord bots, Quora, blogging, vlogging, search engine optimization, SEO, advanced search on Twitter, Twitter advanced search, copywriting, search engines, influencers. And when you do this for your competition and you keep scrolling, a lot of the keywords won't be relevant for you. Some of them will be. Any of the ones that are, it'll give you ideas for keywords that you could be targeting. So for example, this keyword copywriting, when I go to it, you can click it, you can see all the other domains that are ranking for it. And this is what they're ranking on Google, not YouTube. So this example here is copy blogger. Like, all right, copy blogger, let me click on them. Let me go to keywords by traffic. Type in copy blogger here. And I can see all the keywords that copy bloggers ranking for relate to, maybe I create videos on headlines and blogging and how to write copy, how to create landing pages. I can create a lot of ones on landing pages, like how to create persuasive copy for landing pages, content marketing, what is copywriting. Never knew that was popular search, so I can create a video on what is copywriting and how to use it. Let's see, how to sell your soul. Probably don't want to create a video on that one because I don't believe in selling your soul. Let's say cliffhangers, how to use cliffhangers in storytelling. Let's see, native advertising. I should do a video on that. Podcast ideas. I can do a video on how to come up with 100 podcast ideas in 60 seconds. Persuasive writing. I can do a video on that. But you get the point. I'm using Ubersuggest to find all the other domains that have a lot that are in my category. Like if this one is on, I think we saw podcasts, advertising, or podcast topics. Or let's go with, I don't know, content marketing. Click on it, and then I can see all the other sites that rank for content marketing. One of the ones that ranks at the top is Content Marketing Institute. Then I can go, I'm going to copy their domain here, go to keywords by traffic, and I can end up going through Content Marketing Institute and then seeing, all right, what are all the keywords that they're using as well? And this will give me good ideas on more keywords that I can create videos on. And when you create hundreds and hundreds of videos like I did, I know it takes time, you'll get the millions of views. Don't rely on going viral. You can't predict that. But you can predict that if you create tons of videos that are useful and helpful, each video may get 5,000, 10,000 views a month or even 2,000 views a month. But when you have so many, it'll add up, and over the years, you'll get millions and millions of views and generate tons of revenue from it. Play the numbers game. Create quality content in quantity when it comes to videos. Put it on all the social sites out there. You'll get the traffic. You'll get the views. You'll get the revenue from it. You'll get the brand awareness. And it's the long game. It works. Stop trying to waste your time going viral. If you enjoyed this video, like it, share it, tell people about it, subscribe to the channel. If you have questions, leave a comment. I'll answer it. And if you just need help with your marketing, whether it's video marketing or even SEO or any form of digital marketing, check out my ad agency, Neil Patel Digital.